Okay, so let's start with the counting numbers. So here's a problem that you've probably seen before. So the natural numbers, the first n natural numbers. So let's say you were asked to find find the sum of the first 10 natural numbers. Okay. And so that means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus all the way up to 10. Now with 10, you can easily add it up and get your answer. The easier way to do this for 10 and for any number greater than 10 is this. I'm going to show you. We're going to list the numbers in ascending order. Ellipses are used to indicate everything in between. Then we're going to list it in descending order. Okay. And we're going to group this here. So this is group this. Okay, so the sum, we're going to find the sum in each group. So this is going to be 10 plus 1 is 11. This is 11. 8 plus 3, 11. 11, 11, 11. And you see how many groups that you have? Now, if we were to add 11 10 times, that's the same thing. So what I mean by that is 11 plus 11 plus, and we're gonna do this, excuse me, okay, so I'm gonna just put a here, and we're gonna do this 10 times. Okay, that's the same thing as saying 10 times 11. Okay, something's wrong with my canvas here, so I'm going to try it again. 10 times 11. Okay, now we said we want only half of this, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, all the way up to, and there should be a 4 right there. I don't know why it was a so that's a 4 right there. We want only half. So what we're going to do is we divide by 2 to get the half, and what we end up with is 55. So this is going to be 55. So the sum of the first 10 natural numbers is 55. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 all the way up to 10. What if they ask you greater than 10? Well, let's find one for the natural numbers. So I'm going to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I put n right here and go descending order as well. So n minus 1, n minus 2, and I'm gonna put n minus 3, n minus 4, dot dot dot, all the way up to 1. So first ascending order, descending order, you do the same thing. When we group this, what we end up with is the same for each: n plus 1, 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 n plus 1. So just like this, there are n groups, and with n plus 1 value here. You're going to divide by 2 because you want only half of it. So the sum of the first n natural numbers is going to be n times n plus 1 divided by 2.